Simba, it's over here. Simba, right here. Oh, stay here. Simba.
Okay.
You're not done yet, buddy. Simba. Well, that's the point.
Wait, it's supposed to be ready to
Yeah, that's what slows him down so he doesn't eat so fast.
Oh. Oh, they like it?
No, they're frustrated. Can't you tell? That's why he wanted to go to Ronan's bowl.
I mean, like, they like,
Oh, that's a little hard, huh?
so people make it like that.
Yeah, they do that. It's a slow feeder. Oh, poor guy. He's like, I can't get to the last bit. My nose is too big. Oh. Okay, knock it over.
You gotta flip it. Flip it, Sandra, flip it.
Oh, Ronan's done before.
Run.
Oh, did he get it all? Oh, good boy. Is that it? Did he get it all? Okay. Check the area. Any more? No, it's all gone.